Hey guys, it is Dmndcolb Tech Tips today, and this is how to get a free domain. First, go to my.freenom.com and then go to register a new domain. After you do that, it will load, and then type in your name. So I'm going to do Dmndcolb.tk. Okay, that's. Then you do that. Let's say I want .ml. So just press checkout. Then press continue and stuff. You can do .ml, .tk. Okay, so after you do that, go to my domains. So you see I have a bunch. CrazyEconomics.tk, that's a friend's website I made for them. TrueXHaringGratis.tk, that's my family domain. Please do not go to it. I have to invite you, and don't do it, it's private. You'll have to have a password. The undergroundlibrary.tk, well, that one's not up in use yet, but that's going to be my library website if you're going to check that out. And Dmndcolb.tk, so it's a managed domain. You can get as many of these for free. So go to management tools, then go to URL forwarding. After that, I'm using Wix to do it, which I don't like it as much because it's not free. But use Adobe Spark, spark.adobe.com, it's free. And then go to my brands, create new, and then web page. Okay, so after you finish your web page, I'm not going to show you how to do all that, but so you have to get your thing. So I'm just going to do the Crazy Comics page, and then okay, if you want to see it, you can go to it. So then you copy that URL and then close that tab. Then you can delete that and then Control V to paste it. After that, press set URL. I'm not going to change it because I want to keep it. And then change saved successfully. After that, it will work. So .tk. Oh no, I did .yk. And then after that, your website will look exactly how you made it. And this is mine. You can check out my videos here instead of YouTube, and it won't have ads, or it might, but for me it doesn't. Then you can get in touch with me. Bye guys, see you next time. Check out more tech videos. Bye.